Hi, welcome to our Century Chevrolet tutorial. Today we will be taking you through the car buying experience on our site. Let's get started. If you are searching for a new vehicle, click New Vehicles at the top. The drop-down menu will help narrow down your search. For the purposes of this video, we will click Search New. Here, you can see all of our new Chevys available for purchase. Let's click on one to show our unique online buying experience. Once you are on the specs page, you can click Build My Deal to help unlock more savings for your dream car. Once you fill out your personal details, we can contact you to let you know when savings and offers become available on this car. We will go through the other steps, like trading in your current car, later in this video. Once you have unlocked your deal based on your information, you can see how to finance your new car and what you want your payment to be. Your down payment affects the financing length. Click Save and continue on to the next step. If you are happy with your financing options and you are ready to purchase this car, you can see on the left side that we have a multi-step process. Your dream car is only 10 steps away. Step 1. Enter your registration details to help us figure out if there is a car closer to you. Click Save and continue on to the next step. Step 2. Here are offers based on your information. Click Yes if you accept or No if you do not. Depending on your location, there may be multiple offers. Click Continue to move on to the next step. Step 3. This step is based on your information once you have unlocked your deal and the offers from the previous step. Feel free to play with all the possible financing options until you are satisfied with your choice. These fees include all handling fees and taxes based on your zip code. If this is not what you intended to pay, feel free to hit a Send Request button and a customer service representative will get back to you. Click Continue to move on to the next step. Step 4. Now we can figure out the trade-in cost for your current car. If you do have a car to trade in, click Get Started. If not, click Skip this step. For purposes of this tutorial, we will go through the steps on how to trade in a car. The fields are pretty self-explanatory. If you are unsure how to fill out these forms, consult the user manual of your current car to get the best and most accurate Kelley Blue Book rate. The final step is to add any photos if you wish. This will help the accuracy of your trade-in. Click Continue and move on to the next step. Step 5. Like any car buying experience, your credit score affects your payments. If you know your credit score offhand, great. Click the tier button that applies to you. If you need to run a credit check or apply for credit, please click the button at the top, and then click the appropriate button towards the middle, either Check for Credit or Apply for Credit. If you do not need these options, click Confirm and Continue and move on to the next step. Step 6. Use this step to set up an appointment time depending on where you are located. This could be a call or a meeting at the dealership. If need be, you can skip this step and schedule an appointment later. Step 7. Now we need to prove that you are a licensed driver, have insurance, and can prove the interior and exterior of your trade-in car. Click the Choose Photo button for each of these steps to browse for your computer for the correct photos. Click Continue and move on to the next step. Step 8. Delivery options. Use this button to help determine the cost of delivery depending on your location. We deliver for free within 25 miles of our dealership. Click Confirm and Continue to move on to the next step. Step 9. Review your order. Scroll through the details on this page to make sure everything looks correct. If you need to go back and make a change, click the appropriate step that's on the left side. But if everything looks correct, click Confirm this deal. Step 10. Save your information. This page lists every detail of your deal. Please print or email this page to yourself or keep it somewhere safe for your reference. Use the buttons at the bottom of the page to print, share, or email. If you want an even faster checkout, check out our Express checkout option. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.